Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So I'm the police. So I will gonna teach you guys how to make a butterscotch squishy paper like this. Very squishy guys, is very light. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make. So let's get started. The materials you need are paper, a pencil, a clear tape. I recommend clear tape. You need some crayons or color pens. Yeah. You need some markers. You need some tissues or some sponge or stuffing. So yeah, let's get started on this video. So first I will gonna go red and then fold it in half. So I'm gonna back it up. Okay, so after that as well, I will gonna put some marker and color in. I will gonna back it up first. So after I will gonna cut it with scissors. So after I cut, I will gonna tape it. So after I tape this one is face, I'm gonna put some stuffing or tissue. So here now the finish. It's so cool. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and please make sure to subscribe. Bye. See you next time my paper squishy tutorial.